Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hey everybody, and listen, you know I love to talk about bringing people together, right? Getting those good vibes flowing, making connections. Well, today we're talking about connections of the heart, baby. We're diving deep into the world of romance, specifically how to start her day off right with a killer good morning text. Fellas, ever wonder how to start your morning texts in a way that really grabs her attention? We're not talking about the boring, good morning beautiful texts. No, we're diving into 7 good morning messages that no woman can ignore. These texts are guaranteed to make her smile, think about you all day, and even fall for you a little more each time. Let's get started. The playful tease. Alright, first up, we gotta kick things off with a little playfulness, you know? It's all about setting the right mood from the get-go. We want to get her smiling right off the bat. A smile in the morning can set the tone for the whole day. So text her this. Did you know the sun refused to rise until I told it you were awake? It's a fun way to start the conversation. Now I know what you're thinking. PSY, is that too cheesy? But hear me out. Trust me, a little cheesiness goes a long way in the morning. It shows you're not afraid to be a bit goofy. This message is all about fun and lightheartedness. It's meant to make her day brighter. It's like a little inside joke between the two of you, even if it's the first time she's hearing it. It creates a connection. See, what we're doing here is setting the tone for the entire day. A playful start can lead to a playful day. We're saying, hey, I'm thinking about you, and I want you to have a great day, filled with smiles. It's a thoughtful gesture. Plus, that winky face at the end? Come on, that's money. It adds a touch of flirtation. It's playful, it's flirty, and it lets her know you're not afraid to be a little silly. It shows confidence. And the best part? It leaves the door wide open for her to respond with an equally fun and flirty message. It keeps the conversation going. So ditch the boring good morning texts and try this instead. You won't regret it. It's a game changer. Compliment with a twist. Alright, so we got her smiling with that first text. Now let's turn up the charm a notch. For our next trick, we're going for a compliment. But not just any compliment. We're adding a little twist. Try this. Good morning. I just wanted to remind you that you're the most amazing person I know. And today, the world gets to see that again. Boom. See what we did there? We didn't just say good morning, beautiful, although she is beautiful, and she needs to hear it. We went deeper. We reminded her that we see her for the amazing person she is, inside and out. Telling her she's amazing is great, but telling her the world gets to experience her awesomeness? That's next level. It shows you're paying attention, you value her, and you're not just about superficial stuff. This text is genuine, it's thoughtful, and it's guaranteed to make her feel like $1,000,000. Trust me, a woman who feels appreciated? That's a woman who's going to be thinking about you all day long. She'll carry that positive energy with her, and it will reflect in everything she does. So don't just send a text. Send a message that resonates. Make her day, and in turn, she'll make yours. The inside joke. Okay, now we're really going to personalize things. This next text is all about that special connection you share. Those little moments that only the two of you understand. It's about the quirks and the shared experiences that make your bond unique. It's time for the inside joke text. Here's an example. Good morning. Don't forget, the coffee's on me. As long as you don't try to make it yourself this time. Now, obviously, you'll need to tailor this to your own inside joke. Think about those moments that made you both laugh uncontrollably. Maybe it's about that time she tried to cook you dinner, or that hilarious thing she did on your first date. Remember how you both couldn't stop laughing? The point is, it's something that only the two of you will get, and that's what makes it so special. It's a shared secret that brings you closer. It shows her that you remember the little things, the things that make your relationship unique. Those small details that mean so much. Plus, who doesn't love a good inside joke? It's a guaranteed way to bring a smile to her face. It's like a secret language, a way of connecting on a deeper level. A bond that only the two of you share. And when she laughs, you know you've hit the jackpot. That moment of shared joy is priceless. So dig deep, find that perfect inside joke, and send it her way. Make her day with a memory that only you two share. Just be ready for the flood of hilarious replies that are sure to follow. It's all part of the fun. The thoughtful question. All right, it's time to switch gears a bit and show her that you're not just about the jokes and the compliments, you're also a great listener. This next text is all about showing genuine interest in her life. Keep it simple, keep it real. Good morning. What's one thing you're excited about today? See, sometimes the best texts are the ones that open up the conversation, that invite her to share her thoughts and feelings. This text shows her that you care about her day, that you're interested in what makes her tick. And let's be honest, who doesn't love talking about the things they're excited about? It's a surefire way to brighten up anyone's morning. Plus, it gives you a chance to learn more about her, to discover her passions and dreams. And who knows, maybe you'll even find some common ground and create even more shared experiences. Chapter 5. The Dream Follow-Up. All right, time to turn up the heat a little bit with a touch of mystery and intrigue. This next text is a little bold, a little playful, and a whole lot of fun. It's the dream follow-up. Here's how it goes. Good morning. Did you dream about me last night? Because I definitely dreamt about you. Now I know what you're thinking. PSY, is that too forward? Trust me, a little bit of playful teasing can go a long way. The key here is to keep it lighthearted, to make it clear that you're not taking yourself too seriously. We're not asking for a detailed dream analysis here. We're just planting a seed, sparking her imagination. It's a fun way to let her know that you're thinking about her, and it opens the door for some playful banter throughout the day. Plus, who knows, maybe she did dream about you. And if she didn't, well, now she just might. Chapter 6. Affirmation and Support. Okay, fellas, it's time to show her that you're not just about the fun and games, you're also there for her when things get tough. This next text is all about support and encouragement. It's the affirmation and support text. Good morning. I know today might be challenging, but just remember, you're strong and you've got this. I'm always rooting for you. Now, this text is perfect for those days when you know she has a big presentation, a tough meeting, or just a lot on her plate. It shows her that you're thinking about her, that you believe in her, and that you're her biggest cheerleader. Sometimes, all a woman needs is to know that someone has her back, that she's not alone in her struggles. And this text does just that. It's a powerful reminder of her strength and resilience, and it's guaranteed to make her feel loved and supported. Chapter 7. The Surprise Compliment. And last but not least, we're ending on a high note with a classic heartfelt compliment. But remember, we're not just throwing out any old compliment, we're making it special, we're making it count. This is the surprise compliment text. Good morning. Has anyone told you today how amazing you are? Because if not, let me be the first. See, the key here is the element of surprise. It's not tied to anything specific, it's just a random burst of appreciation for the incredible woman she is. It's a reminder that you see her, you value her, and you're not afraid to express your admiration. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little ego boost first thing in the morning? This text is simple, it's sweet, and it's guaranteed to make her feel like $1,000,000. So go ahead, make her day, and send that surprise compliment. Text your way to her heart. And there you have it. 7 good morning texts that no woman can ignore. Whether you're going for flirty, thoughtful, or supportive, These messages will keep you on her mind all day long. Remember, it's not just about the words, it's about how you make her feel. Send a message that's genuine, shows you're thinking about her, and adds a little bit of personality to your conversations. Trust me, she'll be hooked. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on relationships, dating, and communication. Leave a comment below with your go-to good morning text that always works. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.